legal problem or a question that's just been bugging you that you'd like to ask a lawyer about? Here's the best part, though. You don't have to pay for it. So we have attorney Michael Siddall. He's a partner at Siddall & Siddall. You're joining us to share a little bit more about the Dial a Lawyer program, which is coming up.
It's tonight.
All right. For people who are unfamiliar with this program, what does the Western Mass Dial a Lawyer program mean?
The Dial a Lawyer program is a program run by the Mass Bar Association where people can make a telephone call to speak directly with a lawyer about any issue that's on their mind. When they call in, they'll be routed to a lawyer that practices in their specialty and be able to have a third party just answer a question.
And these lawyers, this is kind of a who's who of Western Massachusetts oftentimes, because you all belong to a greater organization, the Bar Association, that gives you licenses. And now you're volunteering your time to the Bar Association to help with this. What's it mean to you? You've been doing it for a long time. Why do you love it?
Well, I think it's a great opportunity in a very short period of time to help an awful lot of people. It's also great to catch up with some of your colleagues in the area and help the Bar Association.
Now, everyone can call in. It doesn't matter what your question is, right? For the most part?
It does not matter what your question is. There's lawyers from all areas and practice groups. So when somebody calls in, if the call came to me and it was an area I didn't practice in, there's a representative from the Bar Association. I'll write down the question, and they'll find the lawyer in the room that can best answer that.
And people can call in for anything. Could be something that you saw on an episode of TV that was bothering you, or something that's happening to a friend. Talk about some of the calls that you get in some of the different areas.
I've had calls involving trees that have fallen onto garages. We have calls from people who want to know questions about their daughter or son's divorce, real estate issues, estate planning, criminal issues.
And I think it's great, too, because oftentimes people are nervous to plunk down money to talk to a lawyer about something if they just have a little question or if they're just wondering about something. So this is a great opportunity to get it answered.
I've often said people call and say, I have a quick question. And I think everybody's got that quick question that they just need to settle for themselves, so it's helpful.
Now, I think it also goes without saying, some things are just that quick question and answer. Other cases, if it's a more drawn-out legal question, it's not something that you can necessarily answer in one phone call, but from there you can refer people to the best place for them.
Yes, we do. We have a whole sheet of referral sources that can best serve the people, so they talk to the lawyer in the specific area, and then that lawyer can forward them on to somebody else that can help them resolve the matter for them.
So everybody at home needs to sharpen their pencils, write their question down, because it's going to be tonight, 4 to 7. Is that right?
That's correct, and we'll be ready and waiting.
This must be fun for you, too, because it exercises your brain in a lot of different ways. You got to be ready for anything.
Oh, it sure does.
Thank you so much.
It's great.
For chatting with us. More information is going to be on our website, mymassappeal.com, and the number is right at the bottom of your screen.